guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and I thought I would just hop on here real quick and do an unboxing of the Erin Condren seasonal surprise box for fall. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. And if you're not, welcome back. I just got this in the mail today, and I feel like for once I'm not the last person on planet Earth to have gotten their seasonal surprise box. So I thought I would do a quick unboxing. I have not gotten the last few, 2 or 3 seasonal surprise boxes just because I wasn't thrilled with the direction they were going. I don't know why, I just felt so inclined to order this one, and I am really glad I did. This box, this is going to be hard to show you because it's kind of close quarters here, but it's so pretty. And you can turn these inside out and reuse them, and I think I am going to on this one because it's like rose gold and the deep purples and peach, super pretty. Since it is close quarters though, I'm going to pull everything out of the box. So, kind of the first thing you see here is this desk accessories set. It's obviously they're all the same color. There's different push pins, paper clips, like binder clips. Anyway, I was actually excited to see this because I did get the Erin Condren wall organizer, which has a little strip of corkboard, so I can change up. Like I think these that look like kind of traditional push pins, I think those are super cute. So next is this, oh, they're calling this a planny pouch. Oh wait, the desk accessories set is a sneak peek, by the way. And this pencil, okay, here it says planny pouch. On the card it says pencil pouch. This is an exclusive, so this will not be available for sale. It's really pretty. I think this would actually be great to put like my Apple Pencil in, and there's the elastic on it so you can stick it over a planner if you want, or if you just have somewhere where you just want to bring a pen or two and not take up a lot of room. I think I will actually use that. I was also excited to see this. It's just a little ruler. Mine was a little bent. This is a sneak peek, so these will be available for sale. I was a little bent when I got it, but I just kind of bent it back a little bit. But I like that it's so small. I like that there's actual accurate measurements on it. I can't draw a straight line to save my life, so this will be handy to keep in my planner or keep with my planner supplies, either like to rip washi or draw lines or whatever. This notepad, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with these types of things. I love them, but I don't typically need them in addition to my planner. So I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to use this yet, but I think it would be really functional. And it's actually called a functional notepad, and it is an exclusive. So these will not be for sale, but I love these colors. I wish they would come out with a planner cover that had the rose gold in this style. I think it's something birches or something, so pretty. But it's got the hourly over here, top priorities, hydration, appointments, notes. That's very functional to the way I plan. So who knows, I may actually end up incorporating that into my system. Okay, then we have the stickers. I pretty much use my Erin Condren planner to meal plan. I'm not using it as my main planner right now, so I don't always find her stickers to be real functional to how I plan, but these are so pretty. I just love the color scheme with like the wine and the kind of dark brown, and so there's washi strips and page flags. This one is a little bit more of the functional ones, and then these. So yeah, I loved that. Last but not least, there was a cover in this one. Typically I love when there's a cover in these boxes because they are always like so pretty. And I forgot to look. The sticker sheets are exclusive and the cover is exclusive as well. And again, so pretty. Like dahlias and ranunculus or something with like the rose gold. Yeah, that is definitely going on my cover for fall. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this quick peek at the fall Erin Condren seasonal surprise box. I'm gonna go ahead and include a link below if you want $10 off of your Erin Condren purchase. So thanks for watching and have a great day.